Okay, guys. Maybe he is coming this way. He's moving pretty slow. We'll see here in just a second if it's turning. Nope, it's coming. Type 2149 WRRS signal base. Type 3564 WRRS gate mechanism. Rico LED lights on the gate. SafeTran lights with SafeTran incandescent lights. On SafeTran light bracket. And is it? Yeah, that bell's dead. All right, y'all. Then on the left side. Oh, there's a gate light out too. Type 3564 WRRS gate mech on the other side. Type 2149 WRRS signal base. SafeTran lights with SafeTran incandescent lights. Rico LED lights on the gate. SafeTran lights, SafeTran incandescent lights on the SafeTran light bracket. And a dead WCH mechanical bell, which I have reported. I did report that bell. Come on. All right, Union Pacific 3990. And then the back is, that's an AC 44 Norfolk Southern 4095, excuse me. That's an AC 44 CW. He does not move very fast. He might stop, but I like the graffiti job though. Sport. Again, this is Union Pacific 3990. And second engine is Norfolk Southern 4095. Skin. And now he's picking up some speed. He was moving slow, now he's picked up the speed now. Blacksmiths. Freaking hiccups. Now we're moving. Now we're moving. Alright, as he finishes up, drop a like, comment down below. Subscribe for more videos. I'm your host, Captain Namco, saying thanks for watching. I'll see you next time right back here at the train tracks here in Altamont, Illinois. And before I go, I always want to remind you that Jesus loves you, and have a wonderful day, everybody.